coward for years. You know that I make sweeping statements, then swallow them back. You know that I talk of war, but I never attack. You know I have 2 old guitars that I'd never sell. You know there are 3 things about me that I'd never tell. And I do my own therapy alone in the car. You know that when I get low, I remember who we are. You love me, though you know the worst parts of me. You make me the stitch in my seams, the ache in my knee. And if I pulled the earth from under your feet, you give me the chance to remain. You wouldn't retreat, and I'll never take it for granted. I'll never make fun, 'cause you are the stitch in my seams, and I can't come undone. And I'll never take it for granted, 'cause you